There were alleged firing reports from Kuki villages nearby Chanung Chaibu Lokon in Imphal East that led to many villagers fleeing from their workplaces. According to a villager from Chanung, the incident occurred at around 10 a.m. when suspected Kuki militants fired around 15 rounds from Kuki villages located nearby Chanung Chaibu Lokon. She added that Meitei villagers who were attending at the paddy fields have fled from their workplace as the IRB personnel who were deployed near the area raised alarm soon after they heard the firing sounds. However, Manipur police in a social media post dismissed the occurrence of any such incident. Reacting to post on social media by Manipur police, villagers of Chanung expressed shock and surprise on the police claim. They further questioned whether police would accept the occurrence of firing only when it caused casualties. Urging the government to take appropriate measures to thwart such occurrence in the future, villagers alleged the same government of giving a free hand to Kuki armed persons, although the Meitei village volunteers were made to surrender their weapons.
Kung mapan makai tara ada je lau je kumdare lam pak pai tare ko sumain lau je suba phajana suba hawra pajda moi maru ma fasta hana kapi eba adu maru fasta kapa ka da no mai kapa no mai makon male da ha ga khoi je lepe ka da amu kape ani rak chure kape ai no mai kapi ne na hai bdagi e ka shu tawra ro de moi kaim tawra ro hai min na ya khoi kai di no mai lau kapi jana no mai khoi de lai bi loi phagat khare adu moi de lai bi phagat da jala na khoi je hai ni kai jaga da no na ade manga taru tare ni palak sum sujale eba sujala ko de khoi SCD mawong tawe na haibadagi di adubog da ngag laire laibadagi moi je maru tara ma thoim taw badagi SCD mawong ma tawe khoi je kamai taw jige na khanar kan da khoi gi Meitei IRB ngai jingji na moi haire noi kano taw dare ka khatlo na moi lifi khonge ba adubog ta khoi lam helaga dum sure ba chalo noi sidai da khudong thi ba ma tawraga di amu nungai te adu khoi nomai makon tari je kai no khoi khanara je adu ngasi gi oine di chalo na tawra dumai ka khale ko che bila ko la na ma lai ba ko Kuki khul anihum layeba moigi jaga di na ta moigi hek khara nakna bahai tare moi khitang ka khala ke moigi sing oi ba jaga de khoi oi ba ada su bane ba adu gi sigi sing manung je sidagi kapak bane ba poche pyar gi matam ni na akhoi de kaim taw oi je na su bane ba khoi de khoi na ka khalak ba matung dai di makon su ta mu ta gi dare ba adu ai nai je ni gi si matang da sumana thabak su ba kho ba kai do ba ka da di moi na maru hanjan jang ka ba ga akhoi de dhap taw gi mawong ma male ba adu khoi ni step ama ma lai jing ji na akhoi na pai bu khulai ji na adum phagat le adagi kai da kai lege thigale adu moina pai ba khulai du di khangju khangdre uju drai nongmai gi makhon tar ju ta dare na sumai le ga di akhoi kamaina khunja lai ba akhoi kamaina thabak suru ga kamai hingdoi nu se haijani Chanung gi khunja ju ko ware subam nombam ju laitre kai mok laitre adu ko khitang su ba nomba ama masal ju sumaina dum kapa ba posi dai da akhoi ni isa ga hakheng na theng na ga ka khalai posi kapak de khote na hari ba posi kai maram gi na kari gi no si huji pyar tham deli sumaina Meitei gi lai cha khai na ba thamningi ra step posi haininge ba si di